So if you couldn't tell from the video, that was my Galaxy Note 8 flying from the roller coaster. It was the Incredicoaster at Disneyland California Adventure. Second ride of the first day. Beautiful thing. I ended up getting that phone 8 days later sent to me by Disneyland, and this is what it looked like when I got it in the mail. Here's a couple of pictures. You can see there just a little cracked screen, or so I thought. But then I looked closer, I took the screen protector off. It's a cheapie at Amazon.com, and here's what it looks like there. This is what it looks like now. This is the phone that flew off the roller coaster. Incredicoaster goes 0 to 54 in the first 5 seconds of the ride. And my phone is beautiful and functional. I use a Spigen case. This wallet case. You can see a description of it there on Amazon. Has all of my credit cards and my license and stuff like that. They found all my cards. The only thing I was missing is my little pin. But I've obviously ordered those again, so we're good to go.